Hey guys, it's Joe, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make an origami little parrot. So yeah, I actually invented this last night. I know there are a lot of better tutorials on YouTube, but I invented this, and just who cares, really? So yeah, you'll need one sheet of paper to do this. So get it and fold it in half both ways, and fold it the other way. Like that. Like so, yeah. Flip it around and fold it both diagonally. Unfold it, do the same thing. So now, once you have this, make a square base. So basically, flip it around, press the middle. You can see that's going in. Get these two flaps, put them together, and squeeze it like that. Like that. Now, you see here, make sure that the flaps are on the bottom. Get this edge and fold it to the middle line. Like that. Same thing on the other side. Unfold it. Same thing on the other side. Like that. Unfold it. Now get this. Open it up a little. Get these and fold them in. Like that. So basically, reverse fold them in. Like that. So yeah, basically, it goes like this. I opened it. I pushed that crease that I made in, like that. Now do it on all four sides. Okay, so once you've done it on all four sides, you can see it's like that. Get one of the sides and fold it up, like that. Then on this side, make sure the flaps are on the bottom. Get this and fold it to the middle line. Like that. You can see it's like that. There's a little flap right here. Same thing on the other side. Like that. Then get this and fold it all back. So now you have this. Now you see right here, there's 3 flaps. One there, one there, and one there. Get this, and you see on this line, fold that on that line. These are gonna be the little wings of the parrot. Like that. On the other side, same thing. Like that. Now, you see there's a fat end and a thin end. Get the fat end and fold it like that. Unfold it and then fold it like that. So basically just do that. And then get a little bit of it and fold it down. Then reverse fold it in. So now you have the head. Now with here, this is optional. You can just leave it like this if you want. Actually, you see right here, open it and fold it down like that. So you can see like that. So now it's really skinny. You can choose to either leave it like this or make it curly so you can put it on your finger. So yeah, in order to make it curly so you can put it on your finger, you need to fold it like that and fold it up. So this is where your finger's gonna go. Now unfold that and start folding on it like that. Then fold it up. And yeah, that's basically how I make a parrot. So hope you enjoyed. Like, comment, and subscribe for more. Peace.